everyone, this is Yeji from TTMIK Korean. In this video, I'll be talking about how to make your life easier and more fun with initials. First and foremost, a Korean letter consists of three parts: cho-seong, jung-seong, and jong-seong. And cho-seong refers to the initial consonant of a letter. Let's take an example. Here is the word gang, which means river. The initial consonant of gang is ki역, and the vowel a is its jung-seong, and iung, which is the final consonant, is its jong-seong, which is also known as 받침. Okay, let's take more examples. What are the initials of the word banana? Right, they are 비읍, 니은, 니은. What about the initials of talk to me in Korean? Correct, its initials are these. Now, what do initials have to do with making your life easier? Well, here are three ways that Koreans use initials in their daily life. Number one, when you send text messages. Can you decipher these seemingly coded text messages? If you have texted Koreans in Korean, you might have seen them using 이응, 키읔 or 이응, 디귿. 이응, 키읔 are the initials of the word 오키, which is from okay, and 이응, 디귿 are the initials of the word 어디, which means where are you or where is it. If you'd like more videos about how Hangeul is used in text messages, please leave comments down below. These days, initials are even used for the names of convenience store food or restaurant signs whose target customers are younger people. But let me add a caveat here. Using initials could come off as careless or even a little bit standoffish. So I recommend you use them only with your close friends. Number two, search by initials. You don't need to type everything when searching. Say you want to play your favorite Korean song in the singing room. Then you just can simply type the initials of the song. It's that easy. The same goes for the GPS searching. You can just type the initials of your destination instead of typing everything. Number three, games using initials. We love playing games with initials. There is this game called 훈민정음. It's a game that players take turns and give a word that has the same initials that are already suggested. And the player who runs out of words first loses the game. For instance, when the suggested initials are 기역, 비읍, you want to give words like 가방, 공부, or 가발, and so forth. We also play initial quizzes. It's a game that one player presents initials of things like old sayings, movie titles, or K-pop song titles, and the other player guesses what it is. When a player says 이응, 비읍, 희응, 이응, you can win the game by saying 에픽하이 before anyone else. And you know what? In the next video, the Talk to Me in Korean teachers are gonna play some games using initials. Alright, let's wrap up this video here. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!